In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and customize a text box in your document. Learning how to effectively work with text boxes can be a great way to enhance your document's layout, providing flexibility in positioning and formatting. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the top of your editor and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find various options for adding different elements to your document. From there, look for the option labeled Text Box. When you click on it, you'll be presented with several styles, but for today, let's keep things simple and select Simple Text Box. Once you click on it, your text box will appear right on your document page. Now that we have our text box in place, you can start by typing in your desired text. This is where you can add whatever information you want to highlight or set apart from the main body of your text. Don't worry if the initial placement isn't exactly where you want it, because there's a simple solution to that. Next, with your text box still selected, you can easily click and drag it to exactly where it needs to be on your page. This feature allows you to strategically position your text for better alignment and flow with the rest of the document. Simply hover your cursor over the border of the text box until you see the four-headed arrow, click, and drag. It's that easy, and you'll have the freedom to move it as many times as you need until it's just right. Once you're satisfied with the placement, you might want to refine how the text box appears in your document. One optional way to make it blend in more seamlessly is to remove its border. To do this, go to the Shape Format tab located in the toolbar, then click on Shape Outline, and select No Outline. This will remove the border around your text box, giving it a cleaner and more integrated look within your document. Furthermore, text boxes are highly customizable, allowing you to adjust various text properties just like you would with normal text. You can alter the size by dragging the corners of the text box to expand or contract it, change the font type or size through your font settings, and modify the text alignment for better presentation. These features allow you to fully tailor the text box to suit your specific needs and design preferences, making it not only a functional element, but also an aesthetically pleasing one. And there you have it, a straightforward way to insert and style a text box in your documents. Whether you're emphasizing a point, creating a sidebar, or just experimenting with document design, mastering the use of text boxes can add substantial value to your work. Practice these steps, and soon you'll be inserting text boxes with ease and confidence.